Hello guys, we're playing Taerdown and we're gonna destroy this giant Yoshi. Yes, this is a really big Yoshi. He's
Cool.
yeah, cool. Has big nostrils.
What? Wow.
See a big nose. Why is that so big? Yoshi. Yoshi,
Wait,
Yoshi.
when it started from Mike,
This is the best part.
this person. Oh my god.
Oh, Yoshi's looking at your soul. He wants to eat your soul now.
Who want to enter too?
I entered his realm.
You,
um,
you can enter inside, huh?
inside of Yoshi. Go inside of Yoshi. Yoshi.
You can destroy inside.
Yeah.
Huh?
Going out of there, but. Yeah. Now, first, we're gonna go in his mouth. Let me in there.
His nose is big, man.
He has too big nose.
Yeah, you can destroy the nose. Destroy that nose.
Destroy the nose. I mean, yes! We got in his mouth. Yoshi with a person in there. Yoshi! This is brain.
Yeah.
One side of Yoshi's brain. Oh yeah, shoot his jaw off, okay?
Mm-hmm.
As a boom, bang. Not going to have a mouth. Yoshi is not going to have a mouth. Yoshi doesn't have a tongue.
It's like destroying pinata, but without sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need that part. Oopsies! Yoshi doesn't have a jaw. What is this? Is this an alien or the finger?
Finger.
Shoot it off. Who needs that? Woo! He says, no, no, no!
Thumbs up, he showed. Huh?
Now
Oh, another sign. Don't destroy it.
destroy it, destroy it!
Bad, huh?
Bad sign, bad sign. Destroy it, destroy it, destroy it, destroy it, destroy it. Yeah! Yoshi has no fingers. He's lifeless Yoshi. He doesn't have eyes. Very scary because he doesn't have eyes. Shooting off his arm, you know? Woohoo! His arm, this leg. He falls on his leg.
Uh-huh.
Yeet! Yeet! Wow! He smashed his own fist. No, he smashed his toe. Look at his big juicy toe. What's in here? Will you burn him?
Yes. You can try.
Explosion! Yes, he's flammable.
Flammable.
He will burn. Extinguish it!
Burn.
Extinguish it!
No, let it burn.
Yoshi doesn't have.
Fire.
You know what? His eyes has to be in fire. Because he's lifeless. He's a ghost.
How it looks all on fire.
Look at his eyes. He has rage. You see? He has rage in his eyes.
Fuming.
He's mad.
In nostrils the fire. In nostrils. No?
Yeah, we need nostril fire. Now he's really fuming.
Wow. It's burning.
This part maybe we're gonna, from the top to the bottom I want. Okay?
Okay.
He's flaming.
Head on fire.
He's out of rage. Rage! He's going to breathe fire now. I'm gonna make him breathe fire. Here. And I just blow towards it. Oh, he's gonna breathe fire out of his mouth. We need, you know what we need? We need gas cans. We need some gas in here. You're gonna, breathe fire. Look, he's breathing fire out of his, that,
Wow.
Some gasoline!
But he's standing, no? Still standing. Yes?
Means you have to fill him with gasoline. How does he look? Oh, we have to, fill his nose with gasoline. Yes. How is he mouth? His mouth? He's still breathing flames.
This is a long process, huh? He fell down, huh?
Yeah. We need a help.
Strong dude.
Put his legs off.
Then give up. Huh?
Yeah. What is this part of him?
But
His butt is going to be on fire. He ate tacos for dinner. Look, he ate tacos, now his butt is flaming.
still standing.
He's taco. He ate
It's not
tacos.
taco. This is too much fire.
And more. It's all bomb. It's fire.
Still standing though.
He's fighting fire. You know what?
Maybe you fall down.
Yeah. That's the real question. What's in here? What's happening? What's happening in there, buddy? What's happening in there? We need to see, okay? Oh, Jesus! It's burning inside.
Yeah.
This is bloody. Burn more. This is bomb? I think, yeah. Yes. Now it's burning more.
Escape, huh? Or you will die.
See, his insides are burning. Yep, it's setting on fire. Look at him. He is beautiful. Can I marry him?
What are you talking about?
Yoshi here.
Nonsense, huh?
Burnt Yoshi.
But it's still standing. Eh? When he
his nostrils are very strong. It's burn. This was his middle stomach. We need to burn this. No evidence. Yeah?
what evidence we want to destroy him? Huh? He is just.
Oh, shoot! His limbs.
This question why he fell down.
How is he going to fall down, but? Can I come up? No, I can't. Why? He doesn't have a face. It's burnt. This is going to replenish him. Meat. Destroying. Look, a little fire. We need to bigger fire. We need to do this a fire to here, to the legs. Yeah. We need this to fall down, you know. And over there. Yes, yep. Goody gun drops. Now, he's definitely gonna fall now. Yeah. He is on fire now. Now, we're gonna take out the minigun. Yeah? Minigun. Take it down. Take those strong legs down. Oh no.
He's falling.
Oh, I grabbed him.
Grab.
Throw him in the ground.
Oh, wherever you want, huh? Throw him. Huh?
I'm shoving him in the ground.
Massive destruction.
But he is really. He's going into little bits.
Mm.
I see a piece fly of meat.
Mm-hmm.
It means I killed the cow. Now, but really, we defeated the Yoshi.
The Yoshi.
The Yoshi King.
Okay, that's it, huh? Cool.
Maybe no, but we're going to go away from this madness. We're going to spawn something else, okay?
Okay, what do you have to spawn?
This is really laggy. I can move. But I need to go a little farther. Now, yeah. I was very much eating.
Because you spawn, huh?
What?
That meat.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But if you kill Yoshi, Minecraft is going to have that much meat. It's a little bit better, yeah? Often away from the madness. Yes.
Spawn some car, right? Maybe.
Car?
I don't know.
I know what is one.
A robot.
Uh,
NPC. Why crab?
it's this is crab. The spawner crabs.
And the video.
Crabby business. Yeah. This time. Yee! That's not a live crab. Thanks for watching and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.